Broadbent Oil Country lathe, 1982. It's got a 16 and 3/8 inch spindle bore, dual 4-jaw manual chucks with full 16 and 3/8 inch capacity through them. It's running at 40 RPM right now, which is the low end of high gear. The machine has a 4-jaw manual chuck on the back side. Those are the jaws clinking there. The machine has a 4-position tool post on the compound. An X-axis movement here. It also has a hydraulic taper attachment. This machine also includes hydraulic semi-automatic threading with auto kick out. It has a tail stop.